Hello, in this video I want to show you how to turn on and off Thinkplus LivePods LP40 Pro. And to do this, there's 4 different methods for each of the processes. And to turn them on automatically, simply open a case and then remove both of the earbuds. Now they are powered on. To turn them off, you will need to put back each of the earbuds in a case. Like that. And to do this manually, open a case, remove both of the earbuds, and first let's try the power off. And it goes like that. Press and hold the touchpad for 6 seconds, which is located right here. Let's try it out. And they are off. And to turn them back on, you will need to touch the same pad for 2 seconds. And they power on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.